Hello, dear students. Security analysis and portfolio management. So, in this subject, next we are going to discuss about types of investment. So, already we discussed about investment, like investment is nothing but the employment of funds on some assets and why we are just employing. So, with the aim of earning income, or else we can say this as capital appreciation, right? So, that is what the meaning for investment. So, what are all the different types? See, the financial securities basically it is classified into two types. One is under negotiable, another one is non negotiable. So, let us discuss what is this negotiable securities. See, securities is basically security is a certificate, right? So, that certificate it has a monetary value, okay? So, where it can be traded from one party to another party. So it is a certificate, it has some monetary value and it is what traded document. Okay. So whenever buyer or seller they are in a need, say they just be exchanging the documents. So it has some money value. Okay. So we can also say this as financial instrument. So securities whose ownership is easily transferable from one party to another party. So that categories we say that kind of securities as negotiable one. Okay. So the ownership is what easily transferable. See, and any individual, so his assets, he's holding all the documents, all the securities on his own name. So after certain duration, so that ownership entirely transferred to the second party. Okay. So these kind of things is called negotiable securities. Okay. So yes, under variable income, under fixed income it varies. Let us see the examples like equity share. So it is what variable income securities. Ownership may easily transferred from one to another. Next is what fixed income securities. Again, it is what very fixed like bonds or else debentures. Different patras are there like Indra Vikas patras and then Kisan Vikas patras. So all these are different documents. So under variable as well as under fixed. Then what is this non-negotiable securities? See, which cannot be transferred from one person to the another person. So those financial investments which are not at all transferable, you cannot able to transfer at any point of time. Okay, so that is actually called as non-securitized financial investments. Then what are all comes under this category? Yes, we'll discuss one by one. Like deposit schemes offered by the post offices. See, as an individual, we are depositing our money to the post office. Here, any kind of ownerships definitely it is not going to transfer from one to another. So as an individual, your ownership definitely it is not going. No, it is not going to transfer for post office. Am I right? So that is your own fund. That is what non-negotiable. Okay, it cannot be transferred. Similarly, when you're depositing like the companies or banks, all these things, even NBFC, okay, non-banking financial companies, all the tax sheltered schemes, tax sheltered schemes are so many schemes are there, right? So just now we discussed about all the public provident funds. So all these kinds of schemes are there. So even national saving certificates is what there. So all these things are we say that as non-negotiable securities. Definitely it is not going to transfer from one party to the another party. Then what is this non-financial investment? So that word is mentioned here. Just listen. So non-financial investment, so where it derives its value from its physical traits. Physical traits, like what kind of physical traits? So real estates, vehicles, gold, silver, arts, properties and antiques. So these are all comes under non-financial, other than finance, other than cash, some kind of physical trades. So this is what examples. Okay, these comes under non-financial investments. Thank you.